First tonight, attorney Gary Gumataotao is clarifying a statement that's angered Superintendent John Fernandez's attorney, David Lujan. Lujan demanded a retraction from Education Board Chair Lou Nicholas, who told PNC in an earlier interview that Lujan was consulted for the scheduling of Fernandez's public hearing. Here's more. Earlier this week, GUAM Education Board Chairwoman Lou Nicholas told PNC that the schedule for Superintendent John Fernandez's public hearing was made with input from Board Legal Counsel Gary Gumataotao, who had consulted with Fernandez's attorney, David Lujan. This is completely false, Lujan said in a statement released to the media. I never agreed that the hearing date would be set for 9 a.m. on November 21st and last for only 2 hours. Attorney Gary Gumataotao set the hearing date, time, and duration without any prior notice to me that he would do so.
Are you saying you did meet with him and you guys did discuss this hearing date?
Oh, no. We've met and talked about a lot of things with the case.
What about the November 21 hearing date, though? Who came up with that date?
Well, the board sets that. It's not like that David said, I agree to this date and time. What David said was, I'm not available in October, maybe November, or let's try November or something like that. It was open. In other words, he pushed it into November, and I said, okay, fine.
Gumataotao clarifies that the hearing date was set by the board chairwoman, Lou Nicholas, as outlined in board policy, but with input from Gumataotao and the acting superintendent.
Is he required to be noticed, though?
We're not in court. It's not a court.
Okay, so he doesn't need to be noticed or anything like that.
Well, I mean, he needs to be noticed so he knows where to be. Imagine telling a judge, I'll come when I want to or when I'm free. It doesn't quite work like that.
Lujan went on to say, quote, I demand that the chairwoman retract her false statement. If she is lying, her recklessness with the truth does a disservice to the community and unfairly prejudices my client, end quote.
But he did give his input because that's why we didn't do it in October. They would have done it right away because they want to get it done. Along the way, I think there's been some kind of, misunderstanding where that he's thinking that we're saying that he had a say in every aspect of it. No, he did not.
And you can read Lujan's full statement online at pacificnewscenter.com.